There's Billy. Hi, Billy. I guess he can't hear with all the noise. Hi, Edgar. Hi, Ethan. What's wrong? You look like you're worried about something. What's that? Billy has a terrible cold and should be home in bed? We should go and speak to him about this. Billy! Billy? Oh, Billy, you don't look well at all. You should be home in bed. I see. After you finish piling all these rocks, you have to move that pile of dirt too? I know you don't want to slow down construction, Billy, but it's not your fault if you aren't feeling well. The library needs to open tonight, but you can't work when you're sick. Great idea, Carl. We can ask Supertruck to help. Okay, Billy, now we found a solution. You go home and get some rest, and don't worry about us. We'll make sure the job gets done. See you later, Billy. We hope you feel better soon. Now, let's call Supertruck. Supertruck! Louder! Supertruck! Where are you going, Carl? Great! Your cave, so that you can transform. Do you know which vehicle you'll transform into? Perfect. A big, powerful bulldozer just like Billy. Ethan, Edgar, here's Supertruck. He will help you out. Here's Supertruck. Can you please push all of these rocks into a neat pile? Wow, that sure is a big pile of rocks to move, isn't it, Supertruck? You're so big and strong that you almost make the job look easy. Now that you've finished moving all those rocks, Supertruck, Ethan needs you to load up all this dirt so he can dump it on the front lawn of the library. That's where the grass and plants will go. Good job, guys. Now you and Edgar can help spread the dirt on the lawn, Supertruck. There! That looks fabulous! That was great teamwork. Look how wonderful the library looks. I think your work here is done. No? Why not? Perfect. Now everyone will know that the library is finished. Thank you again for your help today. See you next time. Hi, Frank. Where are you off to? You look worried. Were you called to put out a fire? Better hurry then. Be careful, Frank. You want to get there quickly, but you don't want to have an accident. Look, there's Matt. He's trying to wave you down, Frank. He must know about the fire. Oh, you saw the fire, Matt? And you want to show Frank a shortcut to get to it? Good idea. Better turn around so Frank can follow you. Let's go. A fire can spread quickly. Oh my, that's quite a fire there. Thank goodness this building is abandoned and no one is inside. Do you think you can handle this, Frank? Those flames are really high. Should we go find Carl so that he can call Super Truck to help? Okay, let's go. Carl! Carl! Sorry to disturb you, but this is an emergency. Frank is at the scene of a huge fire and could use a hand. Can you ask Super Truck to help us, Carl? Great, let's get going. Which vehicle do you think you'll transform into, Carl? Of course, a fire truck. Awesome, Carl. You're red, like a real fire engine. Wow, you look so different, Carl. Let's get going. Matt! Hey, Matt! Here is Super Truck. Oh, poor Matt. You didn't see Super Truck arrive, did you? This way, Super Truck. Put your sirens on. Good news, Frank. Super Truck is here to help. Good work, Frank. Great job, Super Truck. Working together, you were able to put the fire out. Now you can rest easy, Frank and Matt, knowing that there's no more danger. And Carl, I mean Super Truck, you can go back home and listen to your music. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Hi, Gary. What happened? Uh-oh, your tire has deflated. What will you do now? Oh, the work needs to be done today? Don't worry, Gary. We can get Carl the transformer truck to replace you for a day. He will be able to help you. Great. Let me find Carl. Hey, Carl. Gary the garbage truck needs help. Will you come? Great. Let's get going. Which vehicle will you get transformed into today, Carl? What? Of course, a garbage truck. Time to transform Carl. Carl, transform. Perfect, Carl. Now let's go find Gary. Look, Carl. Gary the garbage truck is waiting for us. Carl is here to help you, Gary. Great. So let's get working. Perfect. Time for the garbage to get emptied into the hopper. Awesome! Great work, Carl. We have just one more bin left. Great going, Carl. Yes, that's it. Perfect. Huh? Well, the work is done. You saved Gary's day. Thank you so much, Carl. Time to go now. Bye, Carl. See you later. Bye, Gary. Matt, you seem to be in a hurry. This racing car is going far too quickly. We need to catch him before he causes an accident. Hey, what happened, Matt? Did you have a breakdown? Oh no, the car is going away. Carl, have you seen that? Let's catch that car for Matt. Let's hurry, Carl, or the speeder will be able to run away. So which vehicle will you get transformed to? A police truck, of course. Time to transform, Carl. Perfect, Super Truck. We are ready for a chase. Now, let's go and catch the speeding car. Now, where could that car be? The car was last seen on the highway. Let's have a look there. Perfect. We're on the highway now. Time to keep a close eye on the speeding car. There it is. Let's chase him down. Hey! Pull over, please. You're going too fast. Super Truck, the car isn't listening. We need to overtake him and force him to stop. Great going, Super Truck. Faster. Let's overtake him. Hey, amazing job, Super Truck. I must tell Matt, the police car, that everything is under control. Thanks a lot for your help, Super Truck. And please make sure to thank Carl for sending you here, Super Truck. See you soon. Bye. Good morning, Jerry. Good morning, Katie. Are you two excited about the big parade later today? Fantastic. It's going to be fun holding a parade for the local hospital today. Oh, look, there's Amber. She looks really busy. Let's go and say hello. Hi, Amber. I bet it was a lot of work planning this parade. Hi, Susie. Hi, Matt. You both look very shiny. Did you get a car wash this morning? Wow, you look amazing. Okay, everyone. Amber needs you to line up so you can all practice for the car parade. What's that, Amber? Oh, Jerry, you should be in the front of the line because you're the fastest. Oh no, what's wrong, Jerry? Is your engine overheating? Well, you can't be in the parade if your car isn't working. What can we do to correct the situation? Great idea, Amber. We'll ask Carl to call Super Truck for help. Hi, Carl. We really need your help. Did you know that there is a big car parade at the track today? Oh, you were just reading about it in the newspaper? Well, Jerry the race car is supposed to lead the parade, but he had a little engine trouble. Can you help? Great, let's go. You have a lot of choices of vehicles to transform into, Carl. Of course, a race car, just like Jerry. Let's get going. You'll be able to get to the track in no time.
Whoa.
Good news, everyone. Super Truck is here to help. Hooray! The parade can go on. Let's go, everyone. Let's practice. Look at all the different colors. Super Truck is blue, Katie is purple, Susie is pink, and Matt is black and white. Okay, Super Truck, not too fast. Remember, it's a parade, not a race.
Huh?
It's okay, Super Truck. You didn't know. That's why we're practicing. Only by practicing something can you keep getting better. You'll do a perfect job later today. That was a wonderful practice. Now you're ready for today's parade. Thanks for saving the day, Super Truck. And please thank Carl for sending you. Whoa. See you next time. Hi, Ethan. What happened? You look ill. Are you okay? You definitely need some rest. But the construction of the new bridge is about to start, and they need you. Oh, don't look so glum, Ethan. It's all right. We can get Carl the transformer truck to replace you for a day. You take some rest, and I will get him. Hey, Carl. Ethan is ill, and the construction of the new bridge is today, and cannot start without him. We need your help. Will you come? Great. Let's get going. So, which vehicle will you get transformed into? A dump truck, no doubt. Time to transform, Carl. Perfect. You almost look like Ethan. Now let's go to the construction site and build the bridge. Look, Carl, Charlie the crane is waiting. Let's move those cubes to the other side, Carl. Great going, Carl. Yeah, time to move the load over there. Oh, you're not sure where to unload them, Carl? Don't worry, I will show you. Come along. Yes, take the first left right ahead of you. See that? That's where we need to unload the cargo. A few more is left. Yes, that's it. Let's go back and unload them. Perfect, Carl. And we are done. Great work, Carl. Thanks a lot for your help. Now it's time to go home. Bye, Carl. See you soon. Hi, Troy. How are you? Bringing these goods to Car City? Troy, watch out. Oh, are you okay, Troy? Can you move? These goods must be delivered by today itself. You definitely need some help. But don't worry, Troy. We can get Carl the Transformer truck to replace you for a day. He will surely get the work done. You wait here, and I will get Carl. Hey, Carl. Troy, the goods train, needs help with transporting goods. Will you come? Great. Let's get going. So which vehicle will you get transformed to? A train engine, no doubt. Time to transform Carl. Awesome! Look at those wheels! Whoa! You look so different! Perfect! You almost look like Troy! Now let's go find Troy. Look, Carl, Troy the goods train is waiting for us. So let's get going. Carl, let's put the cars on the tracks first. Great work, Carl. Relax, Troy. Carl will make sure all the goods reach the destination on time. Here comes the first station. Carl, look, there's Tom. Great going, Carl. Let's deliver the next package. Hey, this is Frank the fire truck waiting for us. Hi, Frank.
Oh.
Here's your container. Now to the last station, Carl. There's Matt. Here you go, Matt. Here's your package. Well, the work is done. Thanks so much, Carl. You saved the day. Time to go home. Bye, Carl. See you soon. Hey, Amber. How are you today? Oh, Amber, are you all right? Oh, you were on your way to see Tom? Is he ill? We need to find someone to replace you. Don't move. I'll call Carl the Transformer truck. He will be able to help. Carl, Amber the ambulance is hurt. She was the only doctor in town, and Tom is ill today. You're the only one who can help. Wow, Carl. All right, let's hurry. Amber is straight away. Look, Carl, here is Amber. Amber, it's all right now. Carl is here. Amber, Carl will go see Tom. No need to worry anymore. Here we are, Carl. Hi, Hi, Tom. Amber had an accident, so Carl is here instead. What happened to you? Oh, you have a fever. Tom, say ah. Okay. Can you cough now, Tom? Well, Tom, you've been working too much these days. No need to worry. All you need is some rest now. And you should be out and about in a couple of days. Well, that was great help, Carl. Thank you. Time to go home. Bye, Carl. Bye, Tom. See you later. Tom the tow truck. Hi, Charlie. Looks like you're having a busy day. Oh no, Charlie. Your hook is broken. Hey, look. Don't worry, Charlie. Tom the tow truck can fix you up in minutes. Wait till I bring him here. Hey, Tom. Charlie the crane is in trouble. Let's go. Yes, Tom. Just keep going. Tom, can you find Charlie? Look, there he is. Let's hurry. Hey, Charlie, Tom is here. Let's take you to the garage, Charlie. Hard work, yeah? Come on. To the garage, everyone. Charlie, Tom will have a look at you now. We need to replace the hook first. Let's see what we have in stock. Will this one do, Tom? You're right. This one's not strong enough. What about this one? You're right. This one is an anchor. How about this? Perfect. You are looking good, Charlie. All thanks to Tom. Anything else, Tom? The revolving deck isn't working smoothly. Tom, what do you suggest? Yes, you're right. Let's try fixing it with a wrench, and it will work better. There, here's the wrench. Perfect. Charlie,
let's see if your revolving deck works now. Wonderful. What happened, Tom? Any problem? Ah, a broken headlight. We could have easily missed that. But I guess that's not a problem at all, Tom. I am sure you could easily fix it. What size do we need for Charlie's new headlight, Tom? So what do you think, Tom? Yes, you're right. That one looks perfect. Charlie, you have a new headlight now. Isn't that great? Anything else on your mind, Tom? Good idea. Let's give Charlie a shower. Let's get started. Woohoo! Now you look as good as new, Charlie. What a transformation. Great work, Tom. Bye, Charlie. Tom, see you later. Bye. Hi, Hector. Looks like you're having a busy day. Are you chasing that overspeeding car? Look, he just jumped a red light. Don't let the car get away. Go for it, Hector. Hey, Hector, careful. Oh, Hector, there is smoke near your wings. Hector, careful. Careful. Oops. Oh, Hector, don't worry, all right? It was just plain bad luck that you missed that car. Oh, you need help, Hector. I will call Tom the tow truck to fix you. Wait here. Hey, Tom. Tom, we need your help. Hector the helicopter is in trouble. Let's hurry, Tom. Susie, Tom will play with you later. Bye. On your left, Tom. Great. Look, there he is. Let's hurry. Hey, Hector, Tom is here. There is nothing to worry about anymore. Let's take you to the garage, Hector. Are we ready, Tom? No, Tom? Hector has no wheels. It will be difficult to move him. What should we do now? Brilliant idea, Tom. You can go find a trailer while I will go ask Charlie the crane to help with lifting Hector into the trailer. Charlie, We need your help. Hector had an accident. Come, let's go. Here comes Charlie. Tom needs your help in lifting Hector into the trailer. Careful. Perfect, Charlie. Thanks for saving the day. See you later. Bye. We have reached the garage now. Hector, Tom will have a look at you now. One of Hector's rotor blades is missing. It will be difficult to fly without it. Let's find a new blade for Hector. Will this one do, Tom? No? What about this one? No? How about this? Perfect. There we are. Good work, Tom. So, what next? Okay, the landing skid comes next. Yes, you're right. We will have to replace it entirely. This is going to be a bit trickier than we thought. Perfect, Tom. Do we need anything else? A wrench, of course. That's perfect. Great. Careful with the screws now. And there goes the new landing skid. Great work, Tom. Now Hector can stand perfectly well on his new landing skid. Now for the tail rudder. So, are you ready, Hector? Great work! Now you are good to go, Hector. Bye, Hector. Have fun!
Oh, Tom, look, your alarm is ringing. It looks like someone else in Car City needs your help, Tom. Wait here, and I will go and see who needs your help. Hi, Jeremy. How are you? Hey, Jeremy, careful. Watch out. Uh-oh, Jeremy, Are you all right? I will call Tom the tow truck to fix you. Just wait here, okay? Tom! Hey, Tom! Jeremy the taxi needs your help. Come on, let's hurry. Yes, Tom. Just keep going. To your left, Tom. Oh, wait, Tom. The red light. Time to go. Hey, Jeremy. Tom is here. He will be able to help you. Time to go to the garage, Jeremy. Let's get going. We have reached the garage now. Well, let's begin. So, how do we go about this, Tom? Yes, let's start by changing Jeremy's front grille. It must be painful. This one will work perfectly. You already look better, Jeremy. Now let's see what's wrong with the engine. Oh yes, we need to change this. Look, there on that shelf, Tom. Will that do? So let's take the old engine out and replace it with a new one. Great! Oh, look at that, Tom. That crack on Jeremy's windscreen is big enough. Yes, we'll use that suction cup to remove the windshield. Ready, Jeremy? 1, 2, 3. Great! Now, time to find the new windscreen. There. Will that do, Tom? Oh, all right. It is too big for Jeremy. What about that? Perfect. Cool. Jeremy, you look perfect now. Uh-oh. That rooftop sign is a bit shaky. What do you think, Tom? Tom, you have exactly what Jeremy needs, don't you? Great, Tom. So which would you choose? This one, Tom? No? What about this, Tom? Perfect. Time for the old sign to go. The new one is all shiny and fancy. Jeremy looks so happy. Bye, Jeremy. Have a great day. You too, Tom. Bye.